Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Alinga Sise of Urban Harvest Organic Farm. For all of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am so grateful. And for those who are still new, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you never miss out any upload. Like the video, share the video, comment in the comment section down below, and I'll be so grateful. Today I'm super excited because we are going to feed our birds with the matoke peelings. And guys, this is not the first time we are giving these birds the matoke peelings. I know some of you farmers have tried it out, and I also want us to look at some of the few benefits for feeding these matoke peelings to the birds. And the first one is that it is rich in fiber, which improves on the digestion and the gut health of our birds. And why it is important is that a healthy digestive system supports better nutrient absorption and egg production, which is very good for the birds. And this is actually good for both the layers and the broilers. And then it also contains vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, which boosts on the immunity of the birds. It has minerals like potassium, which is important for muscle formation of our birds. It also has minerals like magnesium and calcium, which supports the eggshell formation in layers. So that is why this matoke peelings, by the way, is very good for these birds. And then another benefit is that it has natural antioxidants, which helps reduce stress in birds, especially during the hot weather or after, let's say, vaccination or doing any renovation in the farm, or after doing any change in your farm. It is always good to give them these matoke peelings. And then also another benefit is that it also improves on the yolk color of our eggs. We all want yellow yolk eggs. Actually, nowadays in the market, everyone looks for the yellow yolk eggs. If your eggs are not yellow, you find that people will not like your eggs, okay? So for us to keep our eggs to be yellow, especially with these exotic birds that we always just keep them inside, it is good to look for this matoke peelings and give to the birds. And then also another benefit is that it is also very cheap, okay? There is nowhere you're going to buy this, especially for us here in Uganda, especially in the Buganda region. You see, it is a staple food for the Waganda, and you find all families are eating matoke, so it is very easy for you to get the peelings. They will not even sell it to you. You will just get it for free, okay? So it is a very cheap source of feed supplement to these birds. And normally, actually, when we give it to these birds, I normally give in the afternoon. So this also helps these birds to it also helps, by the way, in supplementing on their feeds. But I want us to know that you should not use it as the main source of feeds, especially to these layers. And you can also ferment it and give to the birds. You can also boil it, but remember, do not give the matoke peelings which is rotten. Please, let us not do that. Then you can also always dry it, grind it, and mix with their feeds. So those are some of the major benefits of giving this matoke peelings to the birds. Now let us go and prepare it and give to the birds. See you right back. So guys, today I collected my eggs earlier enough. Actually, I started collecting it as early as 8 in the morning, okay? Because I have some people who have already paid for the eggs, and then also with too much damages that I'm getting nowadays, have decided that once in a while I will be collecting my eggs very early. So this, we are going to just chop it into smaller pieces, and we are going to give them after lunch, like after giving them the afternoon feeds. So we shall be able to give them at around 3 p.m. So let's chop it fast. It is already midday, and it's almost time for giving the birds the feeds. So for those who cannot get the cocoyam leaves, who cannot afford to buy cabbages, you can always get these matoke peelings and give to the birds. Remember, we are now giving only 36 kilograms of feed, because we have only 302 birds. Actually, here we have not enough. I collected some eggs this morning, so let us see what is remaining. I'm trying to avoid overeating of eggs. Guys, don't always forget to like the videos, please. Let's see here. Even the premature eggs of yesterday that we got, if you all remember, for those who watched the video, I haven't yet seen it today. So actually, I don't know what happened to that bird yesterday. Guys, this is the final one, But if you have many birds, you have to get another person to help you, because you will need a lot. We have finished feeding the birds. We even finished collecting some eggs that I got there. Actually, now we have 6 trays, and some eggs you can see that right there. Then after now giving this, we shall also collect a few eggs. I'm sure today we shall get 7 trays and like 15 eggs. Now this one was a bit hard to chop, so I'll just leave it for the local birds. So for today, that is all I had for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much for loving me. But if you're still new, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you never miss out any upload. Share this video, comment in the comment section down below, and I'll be so grateful. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll be smiling. See you next time. I love you all. Bye bye. I've got my egg here.